Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch ROMs. Understanding what a ROM is, a digital copy of game data, is the first step, allowing games to run on platforms other than their original console. It's crucial to remember that legally, you should only play ROMs of games you already own, either physically or digitally. This practice, often considered personal backup, helps ensure you stay within copyright guidelines. Always prioritize legal and ethical use of game software to support developers. To begin, you will need a robust computer or a high-end Android device. For optimal performance, your system should possess at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. A powerful CPU, such as a modern Intel i7 or AMD Ryzen 7, paired with a dedicated graphics card, is crucial for handling demanding games without stuttering. Furthermore, ensure you have significant free storage, ideally 200 gigabytes or more, to accommodate both the emulator and your game library. These specifications will provide a much smoother, more enjoyable experience. The next step involves downloading a reliable Nintendo Switch emulator, with popular choices being Yuzu or Vuejinx, always from their official websites. Carefully follow the installation guide provided, as setup procedures can differ slightly for each program. A vital component is obtaining the most current Nintendo Switch firmware and decryption keys, which are absolutely essential for the emulator to run games correctly. Make sure these specific files are placed into the correct directories as instructed by your emulator, ensuring proper functionality. With your emulator installed, it's time to fine-tune its settings, adjusting graphics, input, and overall performance to your preference. Next, integrate your legally acquired ROM files into the emulator's game library using its specific menu function. You might need to tweak individual game settings, such as resolution scaling or frame rate limits, for the best possible experience with certain titles. Finally, connect a compatible controller for an authentic feel, then simply select and launch your chosen game to start playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.